sparks 46 earthquakes within hours as lava spews into villages. Hawaii has been hit by dozens of earthquakes triggered by the Kilauea volcano, which continues to pose a threat to residents. Scientists from the US Geological Survey have recorded at least 46 tremors as officials on the island issued mandatory evacuation notices to householders. The most powerful earthquake was magnitude 3.3 and struck 2.5 miles from the erupting volcano. Their region has been rocked by hundreds of tremors linked to Kilauea in recent weeks, including a record 270 last Saturday. The volcano-related earthquakes have caused cracks to open up across the Big Island's southeastern region. Residents in the nearby Laulani area are being ordered to leave their homes immediately as the lava spreads down Highway 132. Shelters have been set up at community centers and churches in the area. A civil defense spokesman said, residents on Noni Farms Road and Hale Kamahina Road need to evacuate immediately due to a fast-moving lava flow. Shelters are open at the Pahoa Community Center, Ke'o Community Center, and the Shore Foundation Church. A second update at 1:30 a.m. local time, 12:30 p.m. British Summer Time, extended the evacuation notice to the Kapoho area, including Kapoho beach lots and vacation land. The evacuation orders came as Kilauea entered its fourth week of simultaneous eruptions at its summit crater and along a 6-mile string of fissures 25 miles down its eastern side. Lava flows from multiple fissures have blocked roads and damaged dozens of buildings.
That's actually a mix of sulfur dioxide and vegetation that's moving and burning.
Yeah, we have to come back. You're right here.
Change your costume. Gotcha. Good enough. We're
They all have this pool or what's that?
right now what I'll do is yeah, no.
They don't want to. Maybe now they will. See what I mean?
She came down and she flew over because she never expected her dad.
They don't want to. Maybe now they will.
these areas according to the saturation levels of certain gases that I'll mention. That's if there is. Lasers, you probably won't be involved with lasers.
Jink, you won't find out. When it's got a really good splatter. And when we're talking about this earlier, lava just doesn't eject itself out of the ground, it makes a cut. I know you've seen this but this is totally different. What goes through your mind, I mean, I'm looking at you and you look like you're hypnotized. Back into view here, read, and I
So magma was inflating, that was causing the ground to move up in the pool area.